This is our real 1099 tax form from Etsy. We did over $1 million in print on demand sales last year alone.
And after $2.5 million in total sales on Etsy and personally coaching over 200 sellers, we found the same problem every time.
Most Etsy POD sellers have no roadmap. They're working on the wrong things at the wrong stage, which is why they stay stuck at 1K or 3K months.
So we built this free Etsy POD scaling roadmap that tells you exactly what to do from 0 to 100K plus months.
We took everything we've learned and boiled it into a 6 stage roadmap from opening your shop to your first 1K month to 10K and 30K plus months to hiring VAs to 100K plus months, multiple shops, and leading a team.
Each stage tells you the exact problems you're going to hit, the constraints holding you back right now, and the specific actions to graduate to the next stage. So you're not trying to solve stage 4 problems when you're really in stage 2.
And the best part?
It's free.
So click the link in the description, answer a few questions about your shop in under 30 seconds, and we'll send you a free personalized PDF with your stage, your current constraints, and what to focus on this month.
We also recorded a free 3-hour course that walks you through the entire roadmap step by step.
And we just launched a free school community where you can access that free course, join our live calls, watch replays of all past calls, and connect with other sellers who are also serious about taking their Etsy shop to the next stage.
So here's what to do.
Step one, click the link down below and get your free personalized scaling roadmap that looks just like this. And then step two, join our free school community and start that free roadmap course.
We'll see you on the inside.